So here are the materials I'll be using for this project. Go ahead, pick any seed of choice. Then pick a cup button or any clasp of choice. You will definitely need a scissors and get any thread of choice. I'm using a fishing line, a 0.3, a size 12 needle to pass through my seeds. And let's get started. Now, I'm using my double needle right angle weaving technique. So pick your two needles stringing on a comfortable thread that you cut. On one needle, pick up four seeds. Pick up four seeds. On the other needle, pass through the last seed that you picked up and pull, and you make your right angle weave. So follow suit from here. On each end of the thread, pick one needle each and pick another seed to cross through with the other needle. Now it's time to add your cup button or any hook of choice that you have. Go ahead, on each end of the thread, pick up your seeds and cross with your button or any hook of choice. In this time, your hook of choice must have a hole passable, then you have made it. Now continue beading as usual in your right angle pattern till you get your length of choice. So add 3 more right angle weaves and then you are ready to bead on the next column. So here, let's start beading on the next column. Pass your needle through the seed on the side. Pull your thread. Make sure that the thread doesn't tangle. After pulling your thread, it's time to pick up your seed. Pick up 3 seeds, pass back through the seed on the side you exited, and you just made the first right angle weave on that length. Go ahead, subsequently pick up 2 seeds and pass back through. Now pass through the seed and connect to the next seed up on the side to start on right angle weave. Go ahead and bead. Follow the step you picked earlier. Pass through the seed that you exited to connect to the next seed on the side, and that is how you continue. This is what I've done so far. So I made 3 more rows, making a total of 5 by connecting to the side seeds. So far you've seen you have a base now. You can equally leave it like this, or you can decide to continue to build a double base for your hook. I prefer to build a double base so as to make it sturdy and it will be a support system for any bead design I want to add to it. Let's continue. I just added up to it. I increase the length. I want to fold it, then join it completely. So here, this is how I'm going to join it. I'll just fold it over, then using each thread on each side. Thread on this side, I'll use it to seal up that end. The other thread, the same thing. So that is what we are going to do now. Let's get to it right away. So right now, I've made the first connection with my right angle weave. Note this is a right angle weave, so all it needs is to make connection till it's a seed of 4. So pass through on one thread, pass through a seed, pick up one seed, connect to the seed on the side, also to the needle, and then you make your right angle wave. This is how you're going to follow this sequence till you complete on this, till you complete zipping up this other side. Now, so far, this is what we have done, and we've sealed up all the edges. What remains is to tie up loose ends, passing the thread through to tie up loose ends. And the next base you'll be looking will be to add the other one for your toggle. Go ahead, get your seeds as usual, follow the pattern we did, but in this case you're not going to add any hook, and you just get to it. It's just a replica. In this case, I decided to go and make a full length so that once I build on it, to be easier for me to fold and zip up the ends of what we've done. So follow the direction below and do that as follows. and I have completed this project. You can go ahead and use it, stitch it to any bead you want to attach your hook to. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, it really helps the channel. Like, share, comment, and share with your friends. Shoes.